The Kind Plate movement and initiative focused on reducing food waste through education and community engagement, emerged in the early 1970s as a response to rising global food insecurity and environmental concerns. Originating in Europe, particularly Italy, where food banks first began to appear, this concept aimed to redistribute surplus edible food from farms, grocery stores, and restaurants to those who could not afford it. Over time, it spread globally, influencing national policies on food waste reduction. Key developments include the creation of the Zero Food Waste Initiative by the United Nations in 1975, which sought to eliminate global hunger and promote sustainable agriculture. By the late 20th century, organizations like Feeding America launched food banks across North America, addressing localized food insecurity. These institutions not only provided essential nutrition, but also played a pivotal role in reducing waste through donations. The Kind Plate movement gained traction in the digital age with the rise of online platforms and community initiatives. Apps like Too Good To Go, which connects consumers to unsold prepared foods at discount prices, have become popular around Europe since their launch in 2015. Simultaneously, social media campaigns encouraged individuals to share excess food within their networks, further amplifying efforts. These developments resulted in tangible impacts, notably reducing waste by about 3% annually globally, according to a study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. This is translated into an estimated $60 saved on landfill costs and reduced greenhouse gas emissions equivalent to taking over 25 million cars off the road each year. However, challenges persist. Cost limitations for recipients remain significant, limiting access particularly for low-income populations, who may need more frequent assistance. Additionally, supply chain inefficiencies can lead to surplus food that goes unrecycled. Efforts are ongoing in improving distribution logistics and addressing systemic issues like agricultural overproduction. Despite these obstacles, the Kind Plate movement has demonstrated significant potential for societal impact through its focus on education, community involvement, and technological innovations. Looking ahead, continued investment in recycling initiatives, paired with policy support, could further enhance its efficacy towards achieving food security goals by 2050, thereby mitigating projected climate impacts and economic burdens associated with global hunger and waste.